This is perfect. Thank you, Hilton, DoubleTree, Tower of London. Big up you every single time. Cheers, mate. Yo, not them having caramel in the grocery in the LIDI store. I would really buy this, but I'm not going to. But $2 for that is not bad. Like this in New York would be like this half pack alone would have been more than that. These are so good. If you know, you know. I ain't gonna lie, chocolate orange is kind of diabolical, but I low-key am like curious as to how that tastes. I'm not gonna lie. But they do have some American snacks here. I heard the chocolates are good. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much, but they got the best sparkling water, like the best seltzer water. Yeah, so I've had the mango passion fruit, so I'm finna try the peach passion fruit. Apple I'm not so crazy about. And they also have this, but I don't know what an elderflower is, and I feel like that's not gonna bust, so we gonna go with this one. But no cap, ooh, they got watermelon. I'm tempted to try the watermelon. We could probably always get the watermelon before we go. I definitely gotta take this back to America with me. But their seltzer water, yeah, busting. Yeah. So we finna get this. I will say though, like the regular water, the still water, calm. But I feel like any water that's not Poland Spring doesn't taste good. But yeah, their regular water is not it. But the seltzer water, yeah. All right, y'all, I'm tilting my head down because I'm trying to make sure the lighting is good. But I just want to say big up the Hilton, big up DoubleTree, Hilton, Tower of London for this happy birthday note. Not only that, they wish me a happy birthday, a special happy birthday in this note. You know what I'm saying? It says, happy birthday, enjoy your stay with us, kind regards, from the general relations manager. Kind regards, Lee. So shout out to you, Lee. Thank you for writing this personalized happy birthday card. Best wishes. Thank you so much. I feel super, super appreciated. And I love staying with the Hilton. I love booking with the Hilton, as y'all can see. The hotel is really nice. I really love my room. And I have a treat that I'm about to eat. I'm assuming this is carrot cake. So upon me coming anyway, they gave me a nice little chocolate chip. It was given chocolate chip oatmeal raisin. It was dumb good. It was warm and everything. And now I have me a little piece of carrot cake. Thank you, Hilton. I'm about to demolish this right now. This is chocolate. It says happy birthday, as you can see. This is, I'm assuming, caramel on the side, but cheers, mate. This is good. Should I be eating this? No. Am I gonna eat it anyway? Yes. Very good. Very chewy. The walnuts, very soft. I love cake that's like soft but not too sweet on the icing, like really spongy, like a sponge cake. It's not hard and tough, you know what I mean, here, and then it's not super sweet. Like, this is perfect. This is perfect. Thank you, Hilton, DoubleTree, Tower of London. Thank you, Hilton, DoubleTree. Big up you every single time. Hilton, it's my hotel. As y'all probably know, if you haven't, last year we went to Houston and I spent my 29th birthday at the Hilton as well. So we had to do Hilton in London as well. And of course, great choice. Thank y'all so much. If y'all coming to London, make sure you check out Hilton, DoubleTree, Tower of London. There's a few Hiltons in and around London, around the world, period. But tell them I sent you, DjayBré. But anyway, y'all, hope y'all enjoying the London content. You feel me? This is exactly what I needed. A mental reset. I needed to, you feel me, see different things, meet new people, especially as I'm turning 30. 29 brought me great clarity. 29 was a great year. Gonna miss 29. Great clarity and peace. And I feel like that's what this trip is about. Just like clarity and, you know what I'm saying? Just transitioning into 30 and just like seeing what I would want for my 30s, and just being a celebratory transitional trip, but much needed. And London is like a bucket list trip. I've always wanted to go to London. It's like my dream. So yeah, we're gonna go out later. I made resis. I feel so mature making reservations and stuff like that. It should be a vibe tonight. Praying everything goes well. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all along the ride with me. So like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoying my travel content. I so love travel content. Y'all get to see a different side of me. I get to experience a different side of me. A side of me that I don't. Yeah, you only see on vacation, you feel me? So this was good. Gonna rate it a 9.6 out of 10. It's a little sweet, but more or less I'm grateful for the whole shebang. They put balloons on my bed. They wrapped up the towels in like a gifting type of gifting strings, birthday gifting strings. So Super appreciative. It's the little things. Thank you again, Hilton. Appreciate you. Stay tuned. Let's see where this vlog takes us. Like, comment, subscribe.